All right, so this is assignment number 2. Go back to your Google Classroom page. And we're going to open up this thing called Trash at Park. We're going to use the same spot healing brush tool to remove it. So click on Trash at Park. Don't forget, use Google Chrome and let the file load. I'm going to go ahead and let it load there. What I want you to do is you're going to right-click with your mouse and you're going to copy the image. You're going to right-click, copy image like we did earlier. We're just practicing this procedure. Go ahead and go back to your program, Photoshop, that you had open earlier. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to File, right? We're going to make a new file. Go to File, New. And then you are going to call this Assignment02. And I'm going to add period 5 on here just to make sure I know where it's going. And then your name. Leave all of this alone, don't change it. Because we click copy, Photoshop knows exactly the size of this file. Go ahead and click OK. Then what we're going to do is we're going to paste our image. Usually I just go ahead and make sure I click on the Move tool. And then I'm going to go ahead and press Control. I'm going to hold Control and press the letter V to paste. And I will paste this picture. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the right-hand side. I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to make 2 copies. So I'm going to hold Control. So make sure you have layer 1 selected. Hold Control and press J. Now there's another copy. Double click on layer 1 where the name is and call this Original. And then the top one, I'm going to call this Park Cleanup. We're going to clean up this park now. So that's it, Park Cleanup. What we're going to do is hide the bottom one, hide the eyeball. Go ahead and click on Park Cleanup. Remember, it has to be clicked on or we can't work on it. Go back to the spot healing brush, which is all the way over here. Click on that, and you'll see your brush. If your brush is really big, don't forget, we're going to use the bracket keys on our keyboard right here, the left and the right one, to change the size of the circle. And if you accidentally click on the caps lock key, you will see a crosshair, which is not what we want. So here we go. I'm going to make the size smaller and then just paint across to start cleaning up the little parts in the park. And you can go ahead and do that too. I'm not going to clean up everything. You're going to do that. But don't go overboard. Just do enough to clean it. And once you're done, go ahead and get the text tool right here. And you're going to give this a title. And we're not going to get into text today. We're going to get into that when I come back. I'm going to call this Parks and Rec. I'm going to select everything here, Parks and Recreation. Now, you notice how the name is too long? I can just drag this box to the side, and I'll see everything else. And I'm going to left align my text. So I'm going to select everything. I'm going to go up here to the top. I'm going to select left align to align it. And by the way, the font that I'm using is Franklin Gothic Demi Condensed. So you can look for that font. You can choose a font of your liking for now. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right here. You're going to go ahead and clean the rest of the park up. Once you're done, we're going to save it twice. So you can pause the video right now and do this, and then come back when you're done. So I'm going to go to File, Save As. I'm going to save it just like this. Not going to change anything yet. Save it. And click OK. And then I'm going to go back to File, Save As. And then I'm going to go and change it to a JPEG. The JPEG is the file that we're going to upload to the internet. And then we're going to hit Save. And then click OK. Again, just watch the video again if it's going too fast for you. Go back to your assignment. Let's see here. Right, so let's say we have the beach already. I'm going to go down 1. I'm going to go down 1 on my assignment. I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to go to Insert, Image. I'm going to go ahead and look for the park that I just cleaned up. So I'm looking for the park, period 5. This is the one that I just made right here. And you're going to clean up the whole park. Click Open. That's the file right there. So we have beach cleanup, parks and recreation. And that's it. That's assignment 02. And we're going to do assignment 03 next.